So guys, I want to really know your thought about this Messi and Ike show. Is it for the camera? Are they making this up or is for real? Because on one hand, it seems like Messi is pushing it, and the other hand, Ike is not. He's trying to take things slowly. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Rainy here, or you can call me Ezinne. If you're stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below, and also share with your friends, okay, so that they can get to know what's going on. So today's episode is 7. It started off where Messi and the sales girl, they were trying to take stock about her, Messi has a shop, a clothing line, sort of. So they had new stock and they were trying to take stock. Ike was shown getting a tattoo. So this guy came all the way from Ghana to Nigeria to give him this tattoo. Guys, Ike is obsessed with tattoo. He got one by his arm here, and also another one where Big Brother Naija actually told them in the house that he was going to get this tattoo, and eventually he has gotten it. So next up, they were shown where they were in a restaurant, gisting, eating. They were all muchi lovey-dovey, talking about themselves, talking about how far they want to go and all whatnot. So Messi's gist was just centered on, I want to settle down, let's get married, let's get together and all that. So Ike was busy saying something else. Next thing, Ike now showed her some new tattoos that he got. Messi was like, I'm trying to tell you something serious. You're trying to tell me about tattoo? Is tattoo going to make us settle down? And when we settle down and make our money, so you're now going to use our money to go and get some tattoo. So Ike was like, okay, what do you want? Do you want us to get a house? Do you want us to get a car? Do you want us to do a business or anything together? Messi was like, no, those are not the things that I want. I want us to settle down, guys. The way Messi is pushing this settle down issue, me, I don't even understand, because as a baby girl she is, I was expecting that she would still want to, flex around, be single and all that. I don't know. Next one episode, she's pushing to settle, moving together with him. Next thing, she want them to get married. Well, I don't know, but with the look of things, Ike is not buying the settling down thing, although Ike is into Messi, obviously, and Messi knows that, but he's not just ready. I don't know why Messi will have to be pushing, okay? So Ike now had to bring out her ring and give to Messi, and Messi was like, yeah, this is what I want. So they talked at length, at that point. In fact, guys, I was thinking that Ike was going to pop the question, but no, hell no, it didn't happen. And then the next thing that they showed us was where Messi and her sister Promise were gisting. They were discussing about Messi and Ike's relationship. So Promise was actually advising Messi to stay off, that she thinks that Ike is trying to use her to boost his career, because the fans, Ike, and the issue of Ike fans trolling at her all the time, that she really needs to stop. Like Ike and she and Ike, they don't have the same DNA, that she should slow down on things and then forget about Ike, that she doesn't have any problem in this life apart from Ike. So she was actually kind of advising Messi, her sister, not to go out or continue the relationship with Ike. And guys, siblings relationship, blood is thicker than water, right? Messi was kind of buying everything Promise was saying, and at this point, guys, I think Promise should really not interfere into their relationship, because it is between the two of them to choose whether they want to settle down or not. Definitely her opinion matters also, because she is seeing from the angle where Messi is not looking at Ike, okay? Now, even people, even watchers, even us that were watching, it seems like Ike is trying to play Mercy, but we know that Ike actually loves Mercy. Ike is trying to slow things down. We don't know. As the events unfolds, definitely we'll know what is going to happen. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So guys, I always want to make this as short as possible so that these videos will not be too long and you guys will, you know, catch all the details without skipping it. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's episode, today's video. If you did enjoy it, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up. You know all the drill, right? And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys.